Hello, grade 7. Welcome to lesson 27. This is Miss Brianna, your English teacher from Knowledge Private School. I hope you are all doing well. Today, we will look at pages 58 and 59 in your student book. This is a review lesson. This is page 58. To begin, let's write the correct words in these spaces. This is a conversation between Martin, Sue, and Tom. Martin says, "Hello and welcome, quiz time on radio WYG. What word do you think goes here?" Here we say the word to. Welcome to. Sue says, "Today it's an animal quiz." Martin says, "And Tom and Kathy are here, the studio, to answer the questions." Do we use the word in or on here? Here we use the word in. Remember, we use on if we're talking about on a table or on the wall, but we use in if we're talking about a room or maybe a bag or a box. Sue says, "So, let's start with Tom. Okay, first question. This animal lives, water, but it isn't a fish. It lives, water. What word goes here?" Here we use the word in again, just like in the studio, in water. Its first letter is D. What animal lives in water, but it isn't a fish, and it starts with a D? If you said dolphin, you are right. DOLPHIN, dolphin. Sue says, "Yes, can you name a small animal in Australia?" Its first letter is K. What word goes here? Here we'll use the word from. From. So we would say lives in, but in this case we don't have the word lives, so it's from Australia. Just like I am from America, you are from Kurdistan. This animal is from Australia. Tom says kangaroo. Sue says, no, that's a large animal. The correct answer is, what animal starts with K and is small and is from Australia? It's a koala. The correct answer is koala. Tom says, oh, course. Of course. Remember, of course means in Kurdish similar to akid, of course. Sue, next question. This is a big bird. It can't fly, and its first letter is O. Tom says, that's easy. What animal is a big bird? It can't fly, and it starts with O? Ostrich. Ostrich. Sue says, that's right. And finally, can you name a very tall animal? Its first letter is G. What do you think Tom says? Giraffe. Giraffe is a very tall animal. Starts with the letter G. Sue says, well done. That's correct answers. How many correct answers did he get? So he got 1 correct, 2 correct, 3 correct. That's 3 correct answers. Now it's Kathy's turn. Great job. Practice reading this conversation to yourself. Next, look at part 2. Let's create questions out of these words. For example, can horses jump? Yes, they can. Number 2, can elephants fly? No, they can't. So you can answer with yes, they can, or no, they can't. Number 3, can penguins swim? Yes, they can. Number 4, can lions run? Yes, they can, of course. Number 5, can giraffes bend their necks? Do you remember from our previous lesson? We learned that giraffes cannot bend their necks. So, no, they can't. 6, can koalas live without water? The answer is yes. Remember, koalas can live without water. 7, can rabbits talk? No, they can't. 8, can monkeys climb trees? Yes, they can. Yes, they can. Let's look at part 4. Now, let's ask questions about these people. For example, can Sue swim fast? Yes, she can. We see this check mark. It means yes, she can. Can she run fast? No, she can't. So, number 1, can Martin speak French? The answer is no, he can't. Can Martin speak Spanish? Yes, he can. Number 2, can Maria dance? Yes, she can. Can Maria sing? No, she can't. Number 3, can Sylvia ride a horse? Yes, she can. Can Sylvia play basketball? No, she can't. Number 4, can Tom's parrot read? No, it can't. Can Tom's parrot talk? Yes, it can. And finally, number 5, can dolphins jump? Yes, they can. Can dolphins fly? No, they can't. Let's try to make some more questions. Here we have a statement. Anna is wearing a tracksuit. Now let's ask about Maria. To ask a question, we'll use is because it's one person. Is Maria wearing a tracksuit? So number 1 says, Peter is playing tennis. Now let's ask about Tom. For Tom, we'll say, is Tom playing tennis? It looks like this. Is Tom playing tennis? And because we're using this present continuous, it means right now. It doesn't mean yesterday or tomorrow or every day. It means right now. Is Tom playing tennis? Okay, let's try number 2. Number 2 says, Martin and Sue are swimming. Now let's ask about Carla and Roberto. We do not use is because now it's 2 people. We use are. Are Carla and Roberto swimming? Okay, number 3. Daniel is buying an ice cream. Let's ask about Banaz. Is Banaz buying an ice cream? Number 4. Roberto is reading a book. Now ask about Kathy. Is Kathy reading a book? And number 5. Tom and Jerry are fighting. Let's ask about Tom and Martin. We will not use is, we will use are. Are Tom and Martin fighting? Good job, everyone. Let's look at the next page in our review. In part 6, it says, write sentences. You do not need to write, just listen. This is Tom. Now, he isn't eating a sandwich. He is drinking a Coke. What about Maria? Try to make a sentence about what Maria isn't doing and what she is doing. Did you make a sentence? Here's the answer. Maria isn't singing. She's dancing. Number 2, can you make a sentence? The answer is Daniel and Kawa aren't riding, they're running. Number 3, can you make a sentence? The answer is you aren't listening to the radio, you are watching TV. Number 4, can you make a sentence? We aren't playing games, we are sitting in class. And number 5, can you make a sentence? I'm not writing a letter, I'm doing this exercise. Great job. Let's answer these sentences. Are they true or are they false? Number 1, a mouse is bigger than a rabbit. Is this true or false? This is false. A mouse is smaller than a rabbit. Number 2, an elephant is taller than a giraffe. True or false? An elephant is not taller than a giraffe, so this is false. Number 3, a penguin is shorter than an ostrich. Is this true or false? This is true. Remember, ostriches are very big. Number 4, cats run faster than ostriches. This is false. Ostriches run faster than cats. Number 5, a dog's tail is longer than a kangaroo's tail. This is false. A kangaroo's tail is longer than a dog. 6, a koala is smaller than a lion. True or false? This is true. A koala is smaller than a lion. In part 8, let's find the odd word, the word that does not belong. Number 1 says Asia, America, Africa, Antarctica. These are all places, but only one of these is not a continent. So Antarctica is a continent, Africa is a continent, and Asia is a continent, but America is not a continent. We would say the Americas, or North and South America. So this is the odd word, America. Number 2, parrot, rabbit, lion, elephant. What is the odd word here? One animal is different than the others, very different. Which animal is very different? The parrot, because the parrot can fly, it's a bird, but rabbit, lion, and elephant are just animals. Number 3, pouch, tail, wing, hand. What is the odd word here? A pouch, a tail, and a wing are all things that an animal has, but animals don't have hands, so hand is the odd word. Number 4, big, large, small, fast. What's the odd word here? Big, large, and small are all talking about size, so fast is the odd word. It's different than the others. 5, tiger, bigger, shorter, taller. What is the odd word here? Obviously, tiger, it's the animal. These are comparative adjectives, and this is an animal, so tiger is the odd word. Let's look at part 9. If you want for fun, see how many words you can make from these letters. For example, M-A-N, man. M-A-D, mad. C-A-T, cat. S-T-O-R-E, store. Just for fun, see how many words you can make using only these letters. Now, let's look at the song on the right-hand side. Here we have a song. It's missing some words and we just have pictures. Let's see if we can sing the song by discovering the pictures. Do the monkey. Can you do the dance? What is this? A monkey. Can you do the monkey dance? Close your and take a chance. What word is this? Eyes. Close your eyes and take a chance. Come on and dance. Can you walk the walk? This is a lion. Can you walk the lion walk? Can you talk the talk? What is this? This is a parrot. Can you talk the parrot talk? Can you move the way? What animal is this? This is a tiger. Start right now, do it today. Bend your, what are these? These are knees. Bend your knees and touch your foot. Bend your knees and touch your foot, just like a, what is this? Monkey. Anything goes. Yes, we can do the monkey dance. Let's close our eyes and take a chance. Come on and dance. We can walk the lion walk. We can talk the parrot talk. We can move the tiger way. Let's start right now. Do it today. See if you can read this with me. Do the monkey. Can you do the monkey dance? Close your eyes and take a chance. Come on and dance. Can you walk the lion walk? Can you talk the parrot talk? Can you move the tiger way? Start right now. Do it today. Bend your knees and touch your toes, just like a monkey. Anything goes. Yes, we can do the monkey dance. Let's close our eyes and take a chance. Come on and dance. We can walk the lion walk. We can talk the parrot talk. We can move the tiger way. Let's start right now. Do it today. Great job. That's a very silly song. For homework, do pages 56 and 57 in your activity book. On page 56, read about each animal. For example, number 1 says, it's gray and it's very big and heavy. It lives in Africa and Asia. What animal is this? It's the elephant, so you can write elephant here. Number 2, it's gray and white with black eyes. It's small. Which animal is gray and white with black eyes? The mouse. You can write mouse here. So try to answer all of these questions. Next, complete the conversations. Read the question and choose the answer. Number 1, can you see the panda? A, B, or C? Yes, I see, yes, I do, or yes, I can. Well, the verb is can, so the answer will also have can. Yes, I can. Number 2, what's it doing? A, it's climbing the tree. B, it climbs trees. C, it can climb trees. Well, here we're talking about something that's happening right now, so we should have a present continuous verb. A, it's climbing the tree. Try to answer the rest on your own. Next, complete this conversation using these answers. For example, Martin says, "Hello, Sue, what are you doing?" What do you think Sue says? She probably says, "I'm watching TV." Martin says, "What are you watching?" What do you think Sue says? She's talking about a TV show or a TV program. So the answer is C. It's a great program about a monkey. Martin says, "What's special about the monkey?" What do you think Sue says? She's very clever and she's learning English. Answer H. Try to complete the rest on your own. So the answer is F. The answer here is C. The answer here is H. Try to complete these two answers on your own. Let's look at the next page in your activity book. On page 57, read this. Put in the correct word. For example, number 1, you'll choose A, B, or C. Number 2, you'll choose A, B, or C. Finally, like at the end of each unit, you will read these topics and decide if you are very good, good, or okay with these topics. For example, do you understand how to use can? I can, you can't, she can't. If you understand, you can say very good. If not, you can say okay. And just read through these to check which items you need to practice more. All right, thank you for joining me. Congratulations on finishing another unit. Remember to do your homework, pages 56 and 57, and I will see you in live class or when we're back at school. Thank you for joining me today. Goodbye, grade 7.